some women dey after like 2 children or like 4 children, because now God give them that thing. Still there.
It's still there.
It's still there.
Okay, so how come the one way we say, man, okay, you know why I can't even go now? How? 4 children. 4 children don't visit the Bobby. Bobby still there. But some girls, if to say men are children, they don't feed more than 40 children. You know?
Now as you use
their life.
You know, as you use the body for women they grow up quickly, past man. If you born children, you go see say if you born one, we'll be say now 6, and if you born the other one, we'll be say now 7. If the boy now 7 and the girl now, maybe we'll say 5. If you see them, by the time they don't reach that puberty stage or teen, you come they look say if they come actually go first start, not then between, you go say no, they're not between no. You go come reach, you go come here say this one will pass her. Now that time you don't grow well. If she not take care from that time, will be she 13, 15, 18, then they go 21, 25. It depends on how she use that body. Women take disturb her and she take control herself. If she no control herself well. By that stage, will be say she don't reach 20 something to marry. That time, you can't say, oh, a lot of people don't pass that bridge. You know bridge now. There's bridge there now. Under that bridge. So now that's
but my own basically
you can't make things loyal.
Yeah, as we they talk so you know say women they always wear those things where they help them enhance their ministry.
But wait, before you continue, I know say Bobby they fall. Yeah, they forget we get big back side.
They follow.
Girl will get big bush, they grow up. Say men come too much, do too many vulcanizers come work there.
That's why good way we say make you join the godly way. They fall. Men, see, I they talk one thing.
So we bring this guy come this show. No say we don't talk about this godly thing before. I bet. What's the godly way?
Yes, I they talk one thing. See, you know say before we go on break or before we go on break, man put on that way. You talk one thing. What would they talk say? If man they chop one meat, that antelope, I still did that antelope. But if the antelope would won't go disturb, borrow himself brain to find way escape. That one way they chop that antelope, so what they can't disturb, won't chop that antelope. He go still chop her.
Yes.
So like now,
you go still chop her.
Now, my own say, she na those body parts women they see, now they make them.
See, more talk about
him. But wait, no be bad thing say, babe day, he set.
Yes.
If he go 8,
now God give
him Arsenal makes sense.
Yes.
In Manchester,
now women, yes.
But you understand? But the thing I say, no how you go see woman will be say, now figure 8, where you know go look at.
One.
No, sure.
One.
Especially when the hair sets, the eyes set, the nose set. He get nose, long nose.
Meanwhile,
he get small lips. In Arsenal, can't be like 4 of my head.
Manchester.
Nah, and the Manchester can't they moderate. My brother, you will look.
Meanwhile,
he get one thing where Shakara talk that time. Shakara talk say, now 2 things in the look. And I talk say 80% of men.
And that's 2 things.
Then they look. You can't talk. You can't buttress and can't talk. Say he gets this. He gets this.
Yeah.
Perfect. That kind of person. What would they talk about this godly thing? If that girl or that lady or that woman, no they godly. Men go disturb her. Will be say. Even the day when she go start to cry, now go come to say, what did they do you?
But you know, say any woman we don't reach the age of 15 self, we be say man no even they call self somehow go they look himself say what is wrong with me?
Nothing
from 15, you're never supposed to do it.
No, I they talk on now. The way things they happen now.
Yes. Okay, I say you don't say what don't spoil.
Yeah, like now. Now, you go see girl of
like when I they come, I they listen to Wazobia FM. Lolo they talk, people they call her. Somebody call Lolo. No, that's office palaver. Somebody send message, give her say, for Ajegule, the rate where young girls say they get belle, don't too much. For Ajegule, say 13 years old, they get belle, go for the street, say that I think all generate a problem. So true, what don't spoil? Things not be like before again. Understand?
And they feel you. But basically, waiting be that part for man body will be say, now the first attraction for you.
First attraction, it has to be because when you connect, it has to be the boobs because they face the man and I waiting in first see with her. Meanwhile, waiting really the man mind. That one man just cool down, say that one day. that one dey permanent, that one they wait for me, so that one not supposed to even attract me.
Every man permanently get cranking for the back of the mind.
You understand? Say Kwekus dey there, you understand?
Every man, naturally.
But if the Bobby no really attracts you, no be every man Bobby there. You get men who be say hair they attract.
Some na eyes.
Some na eyes.
Some na perfume.
Lips.
Some na perfume.
Some na perfume.
Yeah.
Some na the way where she carry herself. Some na the way where she dey talk. Some na the way where we say she dey. Okay, maybe when you can go near, you got one thing where they do every Friday, that show. That man, when that man they talk about relationship and all these things, and they listen where they watch that show where for our night show.
Okay.
They watch, and they look at. Now the way the man they talk that thing, if you can't they look the thing, can't they try to look and you can't say okay now this thing where I like if you be say that thing where you think say you like for that woman, you can't go near the woman. You can't say no be this thing where like me now when I want marry the person where I so they say we say this is now when we come sit down like this they talk she they sleep on top of my head. Man now me and my wife we would day now we dey talk quarrel till now we still dey do am. But he get the thing where I see first.
We attract you.
No, we attract me.
Now
the thing where would they talk now?
What you attracted to your wife?
Manchester and Arsenal.
May we do Sisi opinion, I beg. Ali Balogun don't tell us the truth. When we come back, we shall reveal more. Which part is that women like pass for man body?
Women they like.
If a man is neat, a man likes it.
Maybe the breast, I don't know. The boobs.
Breasts.
Then some men they like make the woman get hip. The back side. What else? Make she dey neat.
My boyfriend feel like my breast, he feel like my hands. I don't know, but character. You like my character, that's why we stick together.
First impression, maybe the way she smile, or the way she look, or the way, I don't know, probably maybe the way she dress. Who knows? You can't tell.
Welcome back. Now see BOBOS here we did. When we did talk the moon and the what's his opinion, so you get with me and Ali Balogun they talk about it.
I know they now go on spoil me. I know they Sakara na my witness.
I put my don't be too often at the talk. I did drink my drink. I never even use
okay, I follow you drink the
drink. For me basically, true.
Ugo, wait. All this one where they mention say hair, smile with. I never see if girl where be say go fist fine hair. Man come look and say I like your hair. And I say, well, they can't wait first. So the man say I like your hair. They say thank you. They come begin gist. The man come reach house. You know, so as soon as they enter room, the man they forget that hair. Nothing. You never see
that man. No be that kind man. That kind man no be correct man. That kind man
no man will be say you don't say hello, excuse me. I love your hair, so beautiful. Wait, my name is maybe something come there on a call reach out. As soon as reach out, hair what you say you like, you leave up. You carry your two hands.
Sakara, I no go agree.
You dey hold different places.
Sakara, that man na deceiver.
No be deceiver. Na deceiver. That's why they naturally.
Ugo, that man na deceiver. When we say maybe the girl when they do like this. He just do that hair. He dey do like this. Man come see say, but na this hair. They make this girl trip. But you don't look the thing, you don't see the thing where you want. I agree with you in one way. But that thing will be say, nah, lie, that man is deceiver.
But wait.
That girl.
And they come.
The girl don't make 10,000 naira.
Make I answer one question. You admire fine hair sometimes.
Yes.
So now we get fine hair now. Let me because you don't marry you, but let me say why you never marry.
My wife. My wife. They accuse me say they talk about my wife too much. Okay. My wife, the hair where my wife carry now. Even now one of the quality will be say when you see my wife, you go now the first thing where you go see be that.
So if on a day bed now you don't leave.
Now that hair you go first when you see my wife, now that hair go come. What thing? But if they look at, but not be the hair you go they think say because they wear glass, they not be the hair you go think say be this thing.
But the thing basically, I feel say the hair now like one of the things where they make the babe set.
Thank you.
Share you get. But I
lie.
believe say the most important thing we men dey focus on na the Manchester.
Thank you. Now this why they take
why I talk like this?
That man lie.
You go see some babes wey say they get Manchester, they don't get Arsenal.
Thank you.
Some babes say they get Arsenal, they don't get Manchester. Someday God give them the two. Shey they feel me? Now, even those ones say they get 1-1, they still get men where they admire them. That is to say, some men they admire Arsenal. Some men they na Manchester. People like me, I admire both. Without both, you are nowhere to go close to. Why am I saying this? Because there's with the right hand and left hand, you can wash very well and clean and clean very well.
You know the meaning? But meanwhile, some of these guys are fraudsters. You know, say, one girl don't deceive me. I enter club. If I see how Bobby stand, I say I die here. Bobby face front. That's what we call the dance. Nobody will call the house. I say, make I begin touch waiting, attract me. Now, so the girl, they carry a hand, they block. I say, waiting, you be Minister of Defense. Just they block me. But I no agree. Before my hand touch bra like this, I don't know say that Bobby we don't fall with the roll. Come put granite peel on top.
Forgive you.
No be joke. See now, that's how Bobby come up. Bobby come roll like rug. Go carpet. Come here, red carpet. And you know say me, I be person wey be say I dey like touch Bobby and dey kiss. So if I kiss, I go come run go outside. You get where I don't tire. I call the climb Okada now. Okada, Bobby Junction.
I make we do what that's why. When we come back, we will carry up for them. Bobby must stop there. Now welcome back. Now the world don't swear we carry down song and so.
You sing?
All our song where we they sing these days. You don't bust my brain.
And why they no go sing? You don't.
Why
now the same thing. Now
the same thing where we they talk. Now make man they talk say.
Bobby, the boss person brain.
Almost all our musicians these days now boss brain.
Now man, I've been a woman.
No, you know why they no go sing?
Mostly men.
Man, how many percentage?
95.
Thank you. Okay, 95. It's still
And for the music video, you go able still see them. They will show it. The Arsenal Manchester everywhere distributed always.
Now, what I don't know why they cause these boys. Get where they work out for road. They see get package Bobby face up. What do you expect make the person sing for that studio? You don't bust my brain. Now make you see the music video. Now
the title with that have been at the lyrics.
Most of the songs.
Now the most popular lyrics we get for Nigerian songs now be that.
As long as
you boss brain,
as long as yes, still they carry front azu and back azu, they waka the package them everywhere. Our songs no go change. If you want get good songs, try to do these things well, package them well, put them where it's supposed to be. Ali Balogo, for you, your last word. We know to get time. Waiting be that part for woman body where you personally. Like personally.
I don't tell you say they put me for sport for this question where they ask.
No worry.
You don't marry now. I don't know say you don't marry.
That your question. Where is style power? But make I talk. True. Now the two I like.
Arsenal.
Now the two.
Manchester. Yeah. One.
Okay.
If
they don't put gun for my head, say okay, you must choose one inside these two. Another go behind and watch from back.
Ew.
Because when you are in front, straight bullet can get to you and you're gone. So, you see?
For me, both is needed. Right and left is very important. When it comes together, it makes it a sandwich. You know what I mean?
Collabo.
You collabo. You collabo. Until another day. I say no bye-bye. We shall see you. God bless you. And luckily for us, it's like we have seen the runaway.
No prayer. Now our prayer
has been answered.
God answer our prayer.
Prayer has been answered.
Prayer.
We have got message. We have seen it.
Valila keton, ema bata. Valila keton, ema bawi. Sketchy kwalila wolok ni musaya o. scarcity falila wolo kwe ni musaya o musaya. I just sing it